Hi, good evening, all of you. Today, our topic is problems on ages. Problems on ages. Okay. For regarding UPSC principal and vice principal preparation, today our topic is problems on ages. The master rules. Age difference never changes. Okay. एज डिफरेंस सपोज 5 साल के बाद 10 साल के पहले फादर का एंड सन का रिलेशन, सन का एज में कोई चेंज नहीं, ठीक है. So there is no changes. Age difference never changes. Okay. In any question, after n years, suppose 10 साल के बाद पूछा, then add 10 साल in both ages. n years ago पूछा, 10 साल के पहले, subtract n from the both ages. These three are most important. Okay. Next, first of all, I will give some important models. First model, ratio plus difference. Okay. Example. Ages of A and B are in the ratio 3:5. Then difference is equal to 14 years. Then what is the ages of A and B? This is the question. Okay. First of all, difference. You can first of all subtract 5 minus 3. That is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 parts is equal to the difference given 14 years. 14 years. Therefore, 1 part is equal to 7. 1 part is equal to 7. Therefore, ages 3:5. Therefore, 3 into 7 is to 5 into 7. Therefore, 21. A age 21, B age 35. Okay. Next question. Ages are in the ratio 4:7. Then the difference is 18. Same sum. Okay. 7 minus 4. First of all, 7 minus 4 is equal to 18. Therefore, what is the difference here? 7 minus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, 3 parts is equal to the given 18. Therefore, 1 part is equal to 6. Therefore, A 4:7 given. Therefore, 4 into 6, 7 into 6. Therefore, 24:42. Therefore, A age 24, B age 42. This is the first model. Second model, ratio plus sum. Okay, simple. Ages are ratios 2:3 and its sum is 50. Then find the A and B. Simple. Total parts what are maybe? Total is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here given 5 parts. You can identify 5 parts. Total is equal to 50. Therefore, 1 part is equal to 10. Therefore, A, this is the A is to B. Therefore, A is 2 into 10, 20. B is 3 into 10, 30. This is the answer. Next, father son 5:2 and total is equal to 56. What is the age of the father and what is the age of the son? Therefore, total 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, 7 parts is equal to 56. 1 part is equal to 56 by 7. Therefore, 8. Therefore, father is, this is the ratio of the father and son. You can observe, this is the ratio of the father and son. Therefore, 5 into 8, 40. Son is 2 into 8, 16. This is the answer. Next question. After n years model, present ratio of A is to B is equal to 3:4. After 5 years, it becomes 4:5. After 5 years, it becomes 3:4. Simple technique. Here you can observe 3x plus 5. This is the 3x is to 4x मान लो. Okay. 3x plus 5. After 5 years, they are asking. After 5 years. After means plus 5. By 4x plus 5 is equal to, given the ratio, 4 by 5. Then cross multiply here. 5 into 3x plus 5, 4 into 4x plus 5, 15x plus 25, 16x plus 20. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, here you can observe 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5. Here, present is 3 is to 4. Therefore, 3 is to 4 means 15 is to 20. Therefore, A is 15, B is 20. This is the present is. In this question, you can check what they are asking, present is or after completion of 5 years. This is the present is. Okay. Next. Sum number 6. Present ratio 2 is to 5. After 6 years, it is a 1 is to 2. What is the present age of the A and B? What is the present age of the A and B? Therefore, 2x is to 5x. 2x plus 6 by. Why? Because here you can observe after 6 years. 5x plus 6 is equal to this ratio 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 into 2x plus 6 is equal to 5x plus 6. 4x plus 8 is equal 4x plus 12 is equal to 5x plus 6. Therefore, answer x is equal to 6. Okay. Then present is 2 into 6 is to 5 into 6. Therefore, 12 is to 30. Therefore, A age is 12, B age is 30. This is the answer. Next question. N years ago, 4 years ago, ratio was 3 is to 5. Its present difference is 12. What is the age of the A and B? What is the age of the A and B? Simple question. First of all, here given difference. 12. Therefore, 5 minus 3 is equal to 12. Already I am completed. Therefore, 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to 12. Therefore, 1 part is equal to 6. Okay. Don't confuse. Just I am saying it's a part whatever. Maybe x मान लो. X is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Therefore, you can write whatever maybe it's not a part. It's x. 5x minus 3x is equal to 12. 2x is equal to 6. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Okay. Then 3x is to 5x. Therefore, 18 is to 30. Therefore, A age is equal to 18. B age is equal to 30. This is the answer. This is the present age. Okay. Okay. Not present age. It's 4 years age. 4 years ago age. Therefore, present age. Therefore, present age. 18 plus 4, 22. 30 plus 4, 34. This is the present age. This is the present age. You can completely concentrate about the question. That is most important. Okay. Next question. 6 years ago, father was 5 times of the son's age. Present difference is 32. What is the answer? Okay. First of all, 6 years ago, 5 times, father is to son. 5 is to 1. Therefore, 5x minus x is equal to 32. Therefore, 4x is equal to 32. X is equal to 8. Okay. Therefore, 6 years ago, father is 5 into 8, 40. Son age 1 into 8, 8 years. This is the question. But here they are asking the what is the present ages of the A and B, father and son. What is the present age? Present age of father 40 plus 6. 40 plus 6. 46 is the father age. Present age of the son. Present age of son. 8 plus 6. 14. This is the answer. This is the answer. 18 years. 14 years and 16 years. This is the answer. Okay. If suppose in this question they are asking after 6 years, what is the age of the father? Okay. Present age 46. 6 years ago. Like that. Okay. In this question you can observe. Next question. Father and son. Father is the 3 times the son of the age. And the total is 48. And the total son and father's age. Sum of the son and father age is 48. What is the age of the son and father? Ages of son and father. Okay. Father is 3 times. Therefore, father is to son. 3:1. 3:1. Therefore, that is equal to 3x is to x. Therefore, 4 parts. Total they are given. Total. Therefore, 3x plus x is equal to 48. 4x is equal to 48. Therefore, x is equal to 12. Okay. Therefore, father is 3x. Therefore, 3 into 12. 36. Therefore, son is x, that is equal to 12 years. 12 years. Next question. Father is the 4 times of son. After 6 years, he will be 3 times of the son. What is the ages of the father and son? What is the ages of the father and son? First of all, father and son, the ratio is 4:1. Okay. You can observe after 6 years. After 6 years means 4x plus 6 is equal to 3 times of his son. 3 into x plus 6. Are you understand or not? Father is the 4 times of son. 4:1. After 6 years, 4 plus 6 will be 3 times of the son. 3 into x plus 6. Therefore, 4x plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 18. Therefore, x is equal to 12. This is the x value. Therefore, what is the father? Father is 4 into 12. 48 years. 48 years. And son age 12 years. 12 years. Next question. Mother and daughter, same model. Okay. Mother is the 3 times of the daughter. After 8 years, twice the daughter. Simple question. Mother is the 3 times of the daughter. Mother and daughter's is 3:1. Okay. 3:1. After 8 years. After 8 years. That is equal to 3x plus 8 is equal to 2 into x plus 8. Twice. Why? Because in this question they are given twice. Okay. Therefore, 3x plus 8 is equal to 2x plus 16. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Therefore, mother is, first of all, you can check this one. Okay. Therefore, 3 into 8, 24 years. Daughter is 8 years. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Next question. Mother age is 4 times of the daughter. After 12 years, twice the daughter. Same model question. Okay. It is homework for you. Next question. Sum and past ratio. Father plus son is equal to 70 years. Father plus son is equal to 70 years. 5 years ago, father was 5 times on son. Father plus son is equal to 70. 5 years ago, father was 5 times son. Okay, what is the age of the father and son? 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Total 70 minus 10, that is equal to 60. Father is to son. 5 times 5 is to 1. Therefore total, that is equal to, therefore total 5x plus 6x, sorry 5x plus x. 5x plus x is equal to 60. Therefore 6x is equal to 60. X is equal to 10. Okay. X10. 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Father is 5 into 10. 50. 50. Son age 10 years. But he is asking present age. Therefore, present age of the father. How much? 50 plus 5, 55. Son age 10 plus 5, 15. This is the answer. This is the answer. Next. This is the most important model. Age difference plus future ratio. A is 10 years older than B. After 5 years, A will be twice of B. What is the age of the A and B? What is the age of A and B? Okay. Simple. First of all, B is equal to X. Therefore, A is equal to 10 plus X. A is equal to 10 plus X. In this question, they are given after 5 years. After 5 years. After 5 years, A will be twice of B, already given. Twice of B. Therefore, after 5 years means A plus 5. A plus 5 is equal to 2 into B plus 5. 2 into B plus 5. This is the condition. That is equal to 10 plus X plus 5. 2 into X plus 5. That is equal to X plus 15 is equal to 2X plus 10. Therefore, X is equal to 5. Therefore, X is equal to 5. Therefore, what is the values of A? A is equal to 10 plus X. That is equal to 10 plus 5. A is equal to 15 years. B is equal to 5 years. This is the models. This is the most important model. Thank you. And I am giving some important questions to you. You can practice here. I am giving up one A and B. These are the homework sums to you. You can try. And if you have any doubt, then write on comment box. Okay. These are the answer keys. Thank you. Thank you for watching.